topic of investigation is why are orangutans an endangered species? 21st century living and learning is done so in a globally connected society. Information is at our fingertips. Our emails and web searches are often flooded with advertisements and requests. Some of those include the adoption of an endangered species or the opportunity to donate. With a general interest in orangutans, my research uncovered there are two species of orangutans in the world who are endemic to the islands of Sumatra and Borneo. The International Union for Conservation of Nature and Natural Resources Red List of Threatened Species states that both the Sumatran orangutan and Bornean orangutan are in fact critically endangered. Further research uncovered logging and palm oil agriculture affect the orangutan sustainability and warrant further investigation. This inquiry is being researched through academic literature. Google Scholar, Curtin Library databases of ProQuest, PLOS ONE and Science Direct continue to be utilised and ensure I avoid biased information. However, locating published research on endangered orangutans within the last 10 years has been problematic. Keywords featured in my research include logging effects on orangutans, deforestation, impacts on orangutan population density, palm oil and its effects on orangutans, and orangutan habitat loss. Orangutans are the largest arboreal mammal in the world with a lifespan of up to 55 years. Biologically, they are slow to grow and breed, typically birthing for the first time between 15 and 16 years of age, with 6 to 9 years between births. At the turn of the 20th century, experts estimated a total orangutan population of 300,000. In 2009, it was estimated 50,000 orangutans lived on Borneo and 6,500 orangutans populated Sumatra. Additionally, a decrease in population by more than 60% of Bornean orangutans between 1950 and 2010 and a further 22% projected decline between 2010 and 2025 cements their critically endangered status. Furthermore, in 2008, the decrease in Sumatran orangutans was estimated at 80%. Natural resource industries of logging and palm oil agriculture play a major role in the decline of the orangutan species. Lowland forests are highly accessible and therefore most vulnerable to clearance, fragmentation and plantations. These forests also support the highest densities of orangutans, who need suitable habitat of large connected areas in order to maintain viable population. Research states that logging has a significant negative effect on orangutan food sources and forest structure. The concern is that almost 75% of orangutans live outside of protected areas, with majority of experts assuming that viable populations cannot survive outside undisturbed or slightly disturbed forests. Since the beginning of the 21st century, palm oil production has risen steadily and, like logging, is negatively impacting orangutan sustainability. Deforestation of orangutans' natural forests by palm oil plantations offers poor quality habitat left for orangutans, affecting their availability of food and isolating movements which in turn affect breeding opportunities. Further investigation into action for the sustainability of the critically endangered orangutan is warranted. Linking this project to the Australian curriculum, I feel it is suited to the year levels of 5 and 6. The Australian curriculum content descriptions of science understanding, science inquiry skills, and science as a human endeavour are described across a 2-year band and are interrelated. Cause and effects relationships are explored in Year 5, and in Year 6, exploration of changes and classification continues.